Okay, I made another change to my new camper van. I didn't really care for this stock radio it came with. This is a GPS, has a rear view camera, but as you can see, it only has a 5-inch screen, and I didn't really care for it. It's too small. Maybe back in 2008 or 9, this would have been top of the line, but for 2018 to offer a radio with only a 5-inch screen, it's kind of like I don't know what to say. They could have picked a better one than this. The rear, when it's on rear view camera, when I'm backing up, it doesn't even take the whole screen. It only took about that much of it, and it's really low resolution. So I was like really disappointed in it. It doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android, but it does have Uconnect, which I never used. So anyway, I decided to upgrade it. So I went on Amazon and I purchased another radio. And what I got was a Pioneer. This has got a 7-inch screen. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android. It's got built-in navigation. It has a better view when I have the rear view camera on when I'm backing up. It sounds pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. You know, the screen is pretty nice. Let's see, it's got a map. Yeah. See just the map. You can't really see it that good. But yeah, it's pretty nice there. It's also got Apple CarPlay. So if I hook up my Apple phone to it, it'll come up on there. You do this real quick here. Okay, I just hooked it up. And let's see what happens. There we go. Apple CarPlay just came up. That looks just like my Apple phone. And I've tried it a few times. I get a message. It will answer my message, and it'll talk. It'll say what the message is. It'll speak it out. You don't have to look at it. And it'll ask if you want to reply to the message. And the phone's got the hands-free phone. You know, calling and talking. And so it's pretty cool. I really like the screen. This up here is where I hook up the Apple phone, but I'm not going to keep it there. It's going to go on this one down here. I had to buy an adapter for it. It hasn't shown up yet. When it comes in, we'll hook up the back of the radio to this one so I can plug this cable into it. And this one up here will go for my dash cam. But yeah, this is definitely a not nicer head unit. It's the Pioneer, what is it? The Pioneer something or other. The Pioneer AVIC 8200 NEX. It's got the capacitive touch screen like a phone. The lower models have the resistive, and I didn't like those because you can touch them and then nothing happens. You have to really push down sometimes. I had a Garmin GPS unit that you could push the letters to type in a address, and the letters wouldn't work. And I didn't want that, so I just said, heck, I'll get the more expensive one. And so far, it is really nice. I'm still getting used to it. It has so many different settings you can do on just about anything you can imagine. So it's going to take me a while to get used to it. But that's it for this upgrade on my new Travato camper van.